Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at MSTR? This is strategy. Now, strategy and MSTR is actually the most shorted stock in the market right now. There is a ton of people that are short this stock because it's been good to be short strategy. The stock has basically gone down since July of 2025. Now, the last couple of weeks, we've been grinding around a short base here between, let's say, 100 and 140. And just yesterday, we had a nice pop up off the low on decent volume. Today we had a bit of a quiet inside day. They dipped it down to the 8-day. The buyers showed up where they needed to. And now we're just kind of bubbling underneath that 21-day EMA. And so I certainly think that we could get a bit of a short squeeze if MSTR can get above and stay above 139.40. And so I'm going to set an alert here on MSTR at around 139.40 and look for a move through and a close above and see if we do get a squeeze that I think, if we do, could bring us up to that 50-day moving average, which is right around $149. So that's your setup here on MSTR, looking for a short squeeze that causes anyone offside to buy the stock and squeeze it up to that 50-day moving average. Now, we're probably going to have to see Bitcoin move in tandem, so watch Bitcoin for confirmation. And if we get that, I think you got to trade here on strategy. So that's just one of many things we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that was helpful. I'll see you next time.